words to express how he's on a new path. He has to take a new, and I wish him all the success for the new path. He's been a lovely child. He's been a very caring child, and we are looking forward to welcoming Pooja, and both of them, I'm sure, in their lives will be setting many more examples as good husband, wife, as good lovers, as good parents, as time goes by. Wish them all the best.
खो गए हम कहाँ रंग सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ रंग सा ये जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं जादुई मारते हैं मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ
Pooja got a rush. Pooja got Tarush also.
Pooja got Tarush.
जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहाँ सो गई है ये सांसें सभी अधूरी सी है कहानी मेरी
He is a very well behaved and very well natured person. Even till today, he's all out to, he's always giving. You know, there is not even a millimeter of selfishness in him. He will give whatever he has, and
कागज के
he's
पर
so lovable. He'll do anything for everybody.
पानी में डूबे हुए ख्वाब अल्फाजों के
खो गए हम कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं जादुई मारते हैं मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ
I have so many incidents of his babyhood where he'd just come into my room. I would be exercising. Chachi, can I exercise? Exercise, and he'd roll over and fall. They were like the cutest things. I mean, I have the most cute. Until now, I can't imagine now he's getting married and he's going to be. It's like too emotional. I mean, I can't imagine him being somebody else's. He was like always ours. He was like our baby. And he's the most gentle and the most loving boy.
He's my only grandson, and I cherished him right from the beginning.
Like all boys, of course, he was mischievous at his young age, but he grew up to be very, very sober and very intelligent and very lovable.
मैं ता जिंद मेरी तेरे पिछे हारिया
मैं तां तेरे उत्तों जान बैठी वारिया मैं तां जिंद मेरी तेरे पिछे हारिया मैं तां तेरे उत्तों जान बैठी वारिया
मैं तां तेरे नाल सच्ची लाई यारी वे मैनू चढ़े तेरी इश्क खुमारी वे मेरे दिल दा इको सुपना तेनू अपनी बना के मैं तां ले जाना जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया.
We were surrounded by boys and I was the only girl in that madness, and Taraj Bhaiya was both my tormentor and my protector. And we've just always had the most beautiful relationship, you know. My favorite games growing up, I learned from him. I wanted to dress like him. I wanted to be like him.
तेरे नाल जीने मरने दी तैयारी है तेरे नाम कीती जिंदगी मैं सारी है तेरे नाल जीने मरने दी तैयारी है तेरे नाम कीती जिंदगी मैं सारी है
मैं तां तेरे लिए छड्डी दुनिया सारी वे मैं तां सोच लिया तू मेरी सारी वे
मैं रब कोलों हो मंगदी तू डोली च बिठा के मैनू ले जावे
जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया.
When I met her and I realized that, you know, they're dating and this might be real and this might be for the long haul, I was relieved. I was just so happy to meet her because she is crazy. She can talk like a mile a minute, even more than I can, which is saying something.
तू मेरी जाना मैं अपनी बनाना तू मेरे बारे की ये सोच दी तेनू मेरी जाना मैं अपनी बनाना तू मेरे बारे की ये सोच दी सब सच्चियां ने कसमां झूठियां ऐ नी हथ फड़ के निभानियां गवानियां मेरी
मेरा दिल तेरे पिछे सजना तू दिल च बसा के मैनू ले जावे
जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना
I'm so happy that he's found a wife like Pooja, and like she's also one crazy one, I would say. And like so he was dating her for a year before, and the minute I met her, I always felt that I think she's the one for him.
And you remember you called her Barbie?
I called her Barbie, I think, before he even proposed to her. So I was like, I knew somewhere that they're going to be together. Definitely.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall. Hope when the water rises, you built a wall. Hope when the crowd screams out, you're screaming your name. Hope if everybody runs, you choose to stay. Hope that you fall in love and it hurts so bad. swear I lived. Hope that you spend your days, but they all add up. And when that sun goes down, hope you raise your cup. Oh, I wish that I could witness all your joy and all your pain. But until my moment comes, I'll say I did it all. I did it all. I owned every second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did. And with every broken bone, I swear I lived. I swear I lived.
Always the overprotective brother in school. Then I went to study abroad, so I definitely wanted her to experience that. So I was pro her going and getting an education. Like I remember we were at the Great Wall of China when she got her admission letter to Singapore, and that was a fun day for all of us. And from that day onwards, I saw her become an adult where now she's the person I go to for all my emotional needs. She has probably the highest EQ of anybody that I know. She's a very loving kid, very dependable, and always there for you.
Hello folks,
This is Shubhalakshmi and Kushal from Mumbai.
Mommy and Mama to Tarush.
जबकि तरुष आप सोच रहे होंगे कि लो आगे कुछ खिंचाई करने के लिए, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा.
In fact, you will be proud कि हम यहाँ आए हैं और मन से ये सब शेयर कर रहे हैं आपसे.
Okay, so for everybody, हमारा background ये है कि we are in the third year of being decently successful in-laws to a very doting daughter-in-law, and in addition to her making house visits for 7 years before that.
So, from our very own trials and experience of being in-laws, and with the help of our son and daughter-in-law, we have drawn up a list of do's and don'ts and share this with you.
So the first timers, Kalpana Devi and Shashank Jiaji. Here we go.
These are the new rules and guidelines for the new in-laws.
Are you listening? The new couple will be working very hard, very hard, coping with their new roles in the setup. Do remember that your very own Ladla is a new husband too.
So encourage the couple. No, not the old couple. Encourage the new couple to holiday every fortnight.
ठीक है? Also, the daily waiting hours should be restricted to 9 hours. 9 hours of that. There should be no attempt to communicate with the new busybodies between 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. And mandatory rest time should be set from 1:30 to 4:30 p.m. ठीक है?
Of course, these rules do not apply on Saturdays, Sundays, and all bank, public, and festival holidays.
Manzoor, Shashank Jiaji, Manzoor. में सब मंजूर है. It should be appreciated and understood that the bridegroom is in process of acquiring new tastes in terms of food, clothes, lifestyle and values. Please refrain from discussing these with your friends or amongst your own selves. Please do not ridicule his latest fetishes and acquisitions or dampen his enthusiasm for experimentation and change.
Tear away your taboo foods. The daughter-in-law loves most of the listed items therein, and your son is already loving them with most of his life.
Please control your gestures, body movements and vocabulary when thinking about or discussing your son's latest trophy, his in-laws. Abstain from using flowery language about the demigods, or better, do not discuss them at all.
Your bachas are going to be exhausted with their new roles in life for quite some time now. So please do not pressure them or allow friends and family to pressure them to bring glory to the great household.
To bring glory to the
Great Jain household.
okay.
By adding to the lineage. The bachas today are smart and understand well the balance between the call of their earthly bodies and the supreme responsibility to bestow smiling grandparenthood onto you.
Got that? Your lovely house has been your haunt and earthly abode since many sweetly memorable years. To maintain that, please start practicing knocking on doors, shuffling floors, and coughing your presence to precede your entry into once familiar areas of your own home. And Jyoti,
I know this is going to be very difficult for GLT, but I am talking out of experience. A strict no-no for a father-in-law is lounging around in your undies, in your own home. Please change that habit, GLT.
lastly, please send the young couple to stay with us so that the new rules for the couple to cope up with you guys can be outlined and demonstrated to them in detail.
Stay with us.
Thank you.
Like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Yeah, like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
जोर का झटका हाय जोरों से लगा लगा शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा हाँ सजा जोर का झटका हाय जोरों से लगा शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा हाँ सजा
ये है वो फांसी जान की फांसी चाहते से अच्छा वो फांसी
लाखों दुखों की
लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी, मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ।
रख तू अपनी फुलझड़ियां बढ़िया बढ़िया चट मंगनी कर पट मंगनी मुझे पत्नी बना ले झटपट अपनी सुन पगली मैं हूँ छोरा जंगली अरे काहे को बनाना चाहे मेरी चटनी ओहो ओहो मार बढ़िया तू भी बढ़िया शादी कर ले सावरिया फूटेंगी फिर फुलझड़ियां बढ़िया बढ़िया मैं बढ़िया तू भी बढ़िया पर मैं आजाद हूँ चिड़िया रख तू अपनी फुलझड़ियां बढ़िया बढ़िया
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया देना बहुत स्वीट है मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया देना बहुत स्वीट है ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट पर
फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर की तैयारी है
नच देने सारे हल्ले मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे नच देने सारे हल्ले मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे खसबानों का मैं शगुना की घड़ियां झूमे अंगनाने ये रिश्ता नया है खोले बोले शहनाई मेहंदी हाथों में नचाई बिंदिया माथे पे सजाई थी मेरा रुत बधाई हो बधाई बधाई हो बधाई बधाई हो बधाई बधाई हो
गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा रब्बा लगना किसे नू गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा सोनी मेरा दिल ले गई कुड़ी मेरी जान ले गई मुझको यार कोई तो बचाए गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा दिल वाली बात कभी मुझको बता कुड़िए तो एक बारी हंस के तो जा
लेकिन मन दिल बड़ बेईमान तुझ पे आए तो मैं होए बदनाम जावे जावे नहीं रो बोलना
गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा आए गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा रब्बा लगना किसे नू जावे गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा सोनी मेरा दिल ले गई आए कुड़ी मेरी जान ले गई मुझको यार कोई तो बचाए गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा
Came in very late of my pregnancy, but she was very quick to come out. I mean, to the extent, the interesting story is that I gave birth to her in a room and not in a hospital. She was so quick to come out with a thumb in her mouth. And very
The hair
chubby
standing,
child.
hair
Yes,
standing like this.
very chubby child she was, and never troubled me at all. No waking up at night or troubling me in any way at all, and that's how she has been all her life.
संग बह जावा मैं अब भी, सुनूं मैं तू जो फरमाए जैसी तेरी मर्जी, जिस पासे ले जाए जैसी तेरी मर्जी, सपने वही दिखाए जैसी तेरी मर्जी, मन से जो तू चाहे जैसी तेरी मर्जी, इश्क वाली अर्जियां मंजूर कर दिया, कर ले गुस्ताखियां, कर ले मन मर्जियां, हाय मन मर्जियां।
मेरे ध्यान में हर वेले मेरे ध्यान में एहसान वे कैसे भूलूं एहसान, कुर्बान वे तेरी हस्ती पे कुर्बान वे, अरमान वे तुझसे ही जुड़े अरमान, तुझसे ही जुड़े अरमान, तुझसे ही जुड़े अरमान। जद कह दे मुस्कावा जैसी तेरी मर्जी, इश्क च मैं इतरावा जैसी तेरी मर्जी, सजदा करदा जावा जैसी तेरी मर्जी,
इश्क वाली अर्जियां मंजूर कर दिया, कर ले
bubbly, very organized, very loving.
Very stubborn.
No,
she
I wouldn't say
is.
stubborn. I think she knows what she wants.
Yes, so let's rephrase it. She knows what she wants.
Yeah.
मीठा मीठा तू खारा खारा
नजर लाए ना
मैंने हारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं मीठा मीठा तू खारा
Everyone deserves a hug, bhai.
मैंने हारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं मीठा मीठा तू खारा खारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं सारा मैं
काजल टीका पीछे कानों के नजरों को रोके रे दुनिया देती लाखों ही धोखे मीठी सी होके रे तन की मैं मिर्चे वारूं सारी शर्म उतारूं माही ना जग को हारूं
मैंने हारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं मीठा मीठा तू खारा खारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं सारा मैं
Tarush and I are so different. So when each of us told our parents about the other person, it was just like, you're probably making the biggest mistake of your life. But our family has really come to love each other and love Tarush and love me. And that's what makes it okay. But we've had such a fun ride. All the trips we've taken. When Tarush tried to surprise propose me in Singapore, and it didn't work out because he was the most conscious person ever. And we're sitting on level 33, which is a rooftop bar in Singapore, open air. So he gives me a ring, and he didn't know that I had a ring for him. So when I made him wear the ring, he sat for 10 minutes like, I'm getting claustrophobic. I'm getting so claustrophobic on a rooftop restaurant in Singapore. And I cannot forget it because I don't think Tarush has still realized that we are getting married. He just thinks we are partying. And it took me years to convince him that this is okay, we'll be fine. And I think he's still very, very scared, but I know that it's going to be okay.
कचले तो ज्यादा काले लगदे ने उजाले तेरे बिन होवे माहिया ठंडियां हवावाइयां निंदरा उड़ा ले गईयां अख ना सोवे माहिया तेरी याद च जगदी रही मैं तारे आदे साथ वे चन किथा गुजारी होए ओ चन किथा गुजारी होए रात वे सच्ची दस दे जो है बात वे चन दिलों जरा महसूस ता कर मेरे नैना दी बरसात वे चन डरा किथे की रह ना जावे तेरी परछाई मेरे हाथ वे चन कितना गुजारी है हो चन कितना गुजारी है रात है
Just wish
my baby had not grown up so much. I have a lot of sentiments. I always wanted him like my little kid in my arms who would always be his mama's boy. And now soon he's just getting out of my, I don't know, I hope. Maybe I'm getting another baby to look for, care for now. One more.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but now it's too late, when you feel so tired but you can sleep, secondary come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes away, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home, and ignite your bones, and I will try.
There's insecurity till this minute that she's going to Meerut. So I think
Still feel nervous about
he's
that.
still
She's
nervous
going to
about
go
it.
very far away from us. So.
Yeah, and I don't know how she's going to be. I hope that.
I think she's strong. She's going to cope up.
Yeah,
she's very strong.
She's going to come to Delhi every day. I think
she'll miss the eggs.
Yeah.
What did she miss from Delhi?
Us and drinks and coffee and restaurants and food and
chicken.
everything and meat. Yeah.
Yeah.
बहकी सभी जुबां है, हम हैं हजारों में, अब की कमी जरा है, हर चीज खास है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है। सहनी हमें सजा है, हम हैं बाजारों के, सबकी नजर यहाँ है, हर चीज राज है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है। ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए, हम नहाए हम नहाए, ऐसी जीत छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जीत हम न पाए, ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए, हम नहाए हम नहाए, ऐसी जीत छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जीत हम न पाए, ऐसी जीत ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप
calls me Amy and Ames mostly, and we have known each other since the first day of school. So we were 3 years old, and I think we just like, I don't remember because of course you were really young, but I'm pretty sure she was like my first friend and I was her first friend. And yeah, she's the only person who's witnessed my entire life. And yeah, and I have witnessed Pooja since she was 3. So if there are life events that need recollection, then I'm her mental library in that sense.
दिन शगुना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियो नी वेड़ा सजिया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लैके आना नी वेड़ा सजिया मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलिया सजना मिलिया दिन शगुना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियो नी वेड़ा सजिया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लैके आना नी मेरा सजना
ओ मेरे कान्ना दे चमकण चुमके ओ मेरे कान्ना दे चमकण चुमके ओ मैनू वेखे हवा भी पई घूम के मैनू वेखे हवा भी पई घूम के तेरा मेरा साथ पुराना है रल मिल के तोड़ निभाना
दिल दे बंद जेड़े होंदे प्यासे प्यार दे दिल दे बंद जेड़े होंदे प्यासे प्यार दे हर दम सजना ते जिंदड़ी वार दे हर दम सजना ते जिंदड़ी वार दे
ओ वेखी होमी ना तू हर जाए ओ वेखी होमी ना तू हर जाए मार देवेगी बेपरवाही मार देवेगी बेपरवाही तेरा मेरा साथ पुराना है रल मिल
to look at me.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to freak out.
Come on.
My TJ, I always wondered if I would.
Restart.
My TJ, I always wondered if I would find my Prince Charming, my partner in crime, and my soulmate. Then 2 years ago, I found everything that I was looking for. And I also found what my parents were looking for. And now here we are, with a future before us. And I want to tell you, my TJ, that our love is so powerful, it will travel with us to the future as it has in the past. And I only want to spend it with you, my best friend, my Agni aunt, and my lifeline. With these Feras and our family and friends with us, I want to make these vows to you as we become Mr. and Mrs. Jain. I promise that I will always be there. Not just when you're ruling life and achieving great heights, but also when you want to do nothing and just sit in our pajamas. I promise to be gentle, kind, and caring in this relationship. But I also promise to be entertaining, crazy, and an Insta addict who won't let you eat till I don't take a picture. I promise to respect you in your successes and in your failures, to care for you in your sickness and your health, to nurture you and to grow with you throughout the seasons of life. But I also promise to remind you regularly that you wouldn't have done better than me. I promise to encourage us to try new and unusual things. But I also promise to eat my veggies and become a little healthier.
And exercise?
No. I promise never to stop making efforts for our love. I will not become the person who leaves it on fate and becomes passive. And I won't let you either. I vow to respect, love, and cherish your family, as I promise to continue doing the same for my family for all our life ahead. I vow to love every last bit of you, even your snoring and your love for bad jokes. My Tarush, before you were in my life, I dreamt of you. I imagined you and I prayed for you. Now that I have you, I love you, I cherish you, and I thank God for you. If I could put it in words, I would tell you, TJ, how much I love you. But all I can say is, let's get married.
So cute. Pooja, you really have him.
Yeah, you forget the diamonds. Tears chale jaye.
Even we've all got tears. Pooja.
What have you done to us?
Dearest Pooja and sab ghar walo, after all those vows, here are some more. Wooing you was not very easy, senorita. But मेहनत का फल तो मीठा होता है. उस मिठास को वर्ड्स में लिखता हूँ मैं. शायद ऐसा मौका फिर कभी मिले ना मुझे. Today is special, as we set in stone the love that between us has fondly grown. At first, I vow to express and understand the ever-changing language of love as I can. It's abstract and complex, but comes naturally within when my girl's heart is all that I want to win. The second vow of mine could be to feed Pooja's massive curiosity. A trap for me. I know, I have set, knowing this girl doesn't forgive or forget. But an open book I am and will be, and there are no question marks in our life, you'll see. The third I base on biology. It's a matter of oxytocin, the love hormone, if you please. Deprived, you shall not be of this, I promise. Cuddles and hugs shall be given in excess. The pituitary gland will then work in overdrive. I'll hold you tightly till we are both 95.
My biology is really weak. Huh? What that does.
With the fourth vow, I touch upon a sweet obsession of treating each other as our prized possession. I obsess over you, and you obsess over me. This low I'll stoop. But frankly, I love the theme of this infinite loop.
Well written, engineer.
With the fifth, I channel the deep, my star, and I show you how much I understand who you are. A chirpy and exuberant shell that holds a hard-working, mindful woman in control. With clarity and calm, you hold my hand. It makes us stable in life's uncertain sand. I realize now that my monologue has gone long. Since I have been speaking, people are looking at the time. Hope I did a good job with this song. Knowing you, there is so much to write in this rhyme, Pooja. Pooja, oh Pooja, Look into my eyes. All I said above is a net of lies. It's my spider's web to land a girl like you, and all this while you had no clue. So look around now, my confused wife, and enter at risk into my life. Yesterday was a blast, and this evening is divine. Many more to come now that you're officially mine.
Officially mine, baby.
ਲੱਠੇ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਲੇਟੀ ਰੰਗ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਆਬਾ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਦੀ ਰੁੱਸ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਲੰਘ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਲੱਠੇ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਲੇਟੀ ਰੰਗ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਆਬਾ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਦੀ ਰੁੱਸ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਲੰਘ ਮਾਹੀਆ
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you
Pooja got a rush, Pooja got Tarush, and I'm very happy for her. And I love Pooj, and I love you, Tarush.
This horizon, it's shining. Seems the daylight knows this is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
Pooja finally got her Tarush.